Mabuhay! I'm Angel Peter Elguera, and I will be your tour guide for today. Let's explore the beauty of Sorsogon. Sorsogon is located on the Region 5 of Bicol. The province name was derived from the word Sorsogon, which means tracing the river upstream. Donso is the most visited place in Sorsogon because you can interact or swim with whale sharks. Putong kamoteng kahoy made of grated cassava with the yummy feeling bukayo is the best delicacy of Sorsogon. Moving on to the province of Quezon. Quezon province is located on the Region 4A Calabarzon. And did you know Calilayan was the first name of Quezon province? Quezon province is best known for its historic churches. And Quezon is the largest producing of coconut in the Philippines. Choose tourism, choose UE Manila.